Hello there, my fellow grease monkeys. Check this out. 2009 Dodge Charger. Picked it up at an auction, fairly cheap. Has this little bit of a boo-boo right here. But the car runs and drives great. Has excellent tires on it. And we're gonna see if we can just flip this really quick for a few dollars profit, make somebody a really good deal on it without having to spend anything on it. We're just gonna take our handy dandy little plastic welder and see if we can kind of put this all back together. Just kind of clean it up and make it look, oops, a little more respectable. So check this out. Wait till it cools just a bit. Voila. It ain't pretty, obviously, but it is back together and looks a lot better than it did for about 30 minutes worth of work using this little welder. Now I know technically you're supposed to use these on the back side, but again, because this is such a low budget repair, and I'm just simply trying to put this together so that we can get it out in the parking lot and not falling apart, I put it together on the outside.